बे क'क्राझार गभ बिएड कलेजनि सासे एलुमिनि हिसाबै आं क'क्राझार गभ कलेजाव बे थांनाय 50 बोसोराव सा जेसेबां फोरोंगिरियानो जा बा फरायसाफोरानो जा जायफोरानोखि बिएड ट्रेनिं बा लानानै बेनिफ्राय एलुमिनि महरै बारग'लांबाय बिसोरखौ आं मोनसे खावलायनो लुबैदों दिनै फैयै फैयै क'क्राझार गभ बिएड कलेजा फैगौ 16 आरो 17 डिसेम्बर 2022 नि 16 आरो 17 नभेम्बर खालि बेनि गल्डेन जुबिलिनि जोबथि डिसेम्बरनि बे गल्डेन जुबिलिनि जोबथि हाबाफारिखौ खुंनो थांगासिनो दङ बेवहाय आं बेनिखायनो बे गभ बिएड कलेजनिफ्राय जेसेबां ट्रेनिसफोरा बिएड ट्रेनिं लानानै थांबाय बिसोरखौ आं खावलायनो लुबैदों बिथांमोना जाहाथे गासैबो लैहोर लैहोर फैनानै जोंनि बे गल्डेन जुबिलि हाबाफारिखौ जाहाथे गाजा गोमजायै जाफुंसार होनो हायो आरो बेखौ मेहेरगोनां खालामनायाव जाहाथे मदद होफैयो बेनि थाखाय आं गोसो गोथारै गोरबो सिंनिफ्राय खावलायनाय जाबाय आरो आंनि फालनिफ्राय आं बेखौनो खावलायनानै आं बेयाव दोनथ'बाय मानो होनोबा बेयो जों साफ्रोम ट्रेनिस जायफोरा बेनिफ्राय ट्रेनिं लाना थांबाय बेयाव जोंनि बे जिथु गल्डेन जुबिलि बेखौ मेहेरगोनां खालामनायाव गासैबो फैनानै बेखौ मदद होनाया गासैनिबो बिबान बेनिखायनो आं सानो अब्ला खालि गासैबो जोंनि मेक्सिमाम बा 80 बा 90% ट्रेनिसफोरानो बेवहाय फैगोन होननानै आं बेखौ मिजिंथियो
To all the media persons, first of all, we all know that Gov College of Teacher Education, Kokrajhar, has completed its 50 glorious years last year, and in accordance to that, we are going to organize a Golden Jubilee celebration. We are already in the process of organizing it. We are in the process. We are going to held the closing ceremony of Golden Jubilee celebration on 16th and 17th December with a colorful 2 days program. In the 16th of December, on the first day, we will be having various activities starting from hoisting of 50 numbers of flag that will be hosted by the principal sir and the alumni and the college teaching staff and the former teaching and non-teaching trainees, and we will also have open session of alumni meet, and then on the 17th of December we will be having open session and cultural night, cultural program at the evening. So on this regard, I would like to welcome all the alumni from different parts of Assam and India. We have been to Baksa, Musulpur, Udalguri, Chirang. We have also been to Dhubri to collect all our alumni, and we are very happy to announce that we have alumni all over the parts of the state. So I, as an alumni of Gov College of Teacher Education and also lecturer of Gov College of Teacher Education, would like to invite all the alumni to kindly be present on the auspicious occasion of the 2 days program and grace us with your presence. And we have lots of dignitaries, we have lots of noted personalities as an alumni. So I would like to request all sir and madam to be present on that auspicious day. Thank you so much.
For the media person, and we are very happy that we are going to organize the 50 glorious Golden Jubilee of Government College of Teacher Education, which is going to be held on 16th and 17th of December 2022. So I, on behalf of the reception committee of the celebration, I would like to request all the alumni, best wishers, and the trainees, and as a whole of the family and the fraternity of the Kokrajhar as a whole, and the BTR and the Lower Assam as a whole, that the Government College of Teacher Education is going to organize the glorious 50 years of Golden Jubilee. So as we know that this college is the premier teacher training institute in the BTR in particular and as a whole in the Lower Assam. So we are very happy that we have been preparing for the from the last 2-3 months, and of course we are being hoping for that we will be celebrating and it will be a grand success. So wish you all, I on behalf of the reception committee would like to wish is more or to persons and more the trainees and the persons will be cooperating. So thank you so much.
Preparation today.
Message is that So we are going to preparation here. The message is that all the alumni will have to cooperate with us, and the best and the well-wishers and ex the ex-employees and the present trainees and employers alumni I have to become. So this is what we have been in prepare. Thank you so much.